Your ticket to a career at BEL. The 2025 Probationary Engineer Admit Card is almost here. The wait is almost over for aspiring engineers. BEL Electronics Limited, BEL, is set to release the Probationary Engineer Admit Card 2025 on December 13, 2025. This crucial document is your passport to the computer-based test, CBT, scheduled for December 20, 2025, across various exam centers in India. But here's where it gets crucial. Failing to bring your printed hall ticket means no entry to the exam. This comprehensive guide will walk you through everything you need to know about the BEL Probationary Engineer Admit Card 2025, from download instructions to exam day essentials. We'll also address some burning questions and provide tips to ensure you're fully prepared. BEL Admit Card 2025, a snapshot. Conducting body, Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL. Exam, BEL Probationary Engineer Recruitment 2025, Admit Card Release Date, December 13, 2025. Exam date, December 20, 2025. Download method, online at belindia.in, https://belindia.in. Mark your calendar. Key dates, exam city, already released on December 6, 2025. Check your email, SMS, admit card release. December 13, 2025. Examination date, December 20, 2025. Interview result, announced after the exam. Downloading your admit card, a step-by-step guide. Once the admit card is released on December 13th, follow these simple steps. Visit the official website. Head to belindia.in, https://bel, navigate to Careers. Click on the Careers tab on the homepage. Find Written Test Shortlists. Select Written Test Shortlists. From the drop-down menu, locate the Admit Card link. Look for Download Admit Card for Probationary Engineer CBT 2025. Advert number 17556HR/all.